Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy gold right here on Admirals. So what we're going to do right here is we select right here trade on demo. So he will send us directly to our demo trading account. Then what we're going to do is click here on search for instruments and then we search right here for gold. Then you will find right here the XAU to euros. So that is fine in my opinion. So I select right here on the gold. And then we are having right here gold 100 ounce versus euro. And that is in my place great. So what we're going to do right now is we can fill in right here in lots. So you can select right there lots and then fill in with how many lots you want to step in. Or we can select right here US dollars. And I want to step in with now let's do 10k. That is fine. So I want to step in right here with 10k. And then what we're going to do from here is we can select a limit order if you want to do that. We can create a stop loss or a take profit. If you don't have any idea what that does, then just leave it. And if you want to do on risk management, you can enable the stop loss or the take profit. If you want to do that. And then after this, the only thing that we need to do from here is click on buy. Then we do right here confirm. And right now, if you can see, you have opened a buy position for 0.5 lots. So now we do done. And then we go right here to our portfolio. And then you will find right here the position that we are having on gold. So we already made a quick 40 US dollars. So that is nice. Okay, I say too much, I think. But this is how you can buy right here gold on Admirals. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.